If you're new to investing and you're worried about trading high price stocks or not being able to buy high price stocks because they're too expensive, this video is for you. Hey, I'm Luke Downey. Here's another edition of Lessons with Luke. Been investing for about 20 years, learned a few things here or there. All I want to do is make you a better investor. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So oftentimes new investors, they ask a lot of the same questions. And the first thing is they ask about high price stocks. You know, there is some allure about chasing low price stocks, right? Because you see it as a value, right? You're like, oh, it's low, buy low, sell high. But oftentimes that is not a winning recipe in the stock market. And we'll go into that into another video, but basically what I'm telling you today is that you should not disregard high price stocks because there is something called fractional share trading. And what that is that allows you to take, say, $5, $10, put it into a share of a company, right? So literally a slice of a share. So let's do an example. So 20 years ago when I started trading, and I think it was on E-Trade or Scottrade, I don't even think Scottrade exists anymore, but you had to buy a minimum of one share just to get exposure to a stock. So if a stock was trading at, say, $500, I had to have a minimum of $500 just to buy that stock. And that doesn't even include commissions. There was a lot of commissions back in the day, but they're effectively zero now. Today, that has been flipped upside down because if you have just $5 or even $10, you can buy a slice of a stock with fractional share trading. So listen, this is becoming so popular, especially with the retail crowd, right? And it really got popular with cryptocurrency, right? People aren't buying like one coin or two coins. They're buying little pieces, little fractions of a coin. And that is so intuitive to people when it comes to cryptocurrencies. But for some reason, the message didn't get out there about stocks. Some of the biggest brokers allow you to buy fractions of a share, like Fidelity, E-Trade, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Vanguard, you name it, the list goes on and on. So listen, if some of your favorite companies out there, your favorite stocks, they have high prices, listen, if your broker allows fractional share trading, that should empower you. Now you can get exposure to those companies with as little as, say, $5 to $10. And that, man, I wish existed when I started trading years ago because it was a real deal. Back in the day, you know, you had to have a certain amount of money just to get started. That is not the case today. So listen, you see a high price stock, if your broker allows you to do fractional share trading, you have no excuses. I'll see you guys next time.